This is the AI News Flash for February 16th, 2 a.m. UTC. First up, Blackstone is leading a massive investment of up to $1.2 billion in Indian AI cloud startup Neysa. The deal includes $600 million in equity and another $600 million in debt financing, making it the largest AI funding round in India's history. Neysa plans to deploy over 20,000 GPUs to build out domestic AI compute infrastructure, reaching a $1.4 billion valuation. The investment signals India's growing ambition to build sovereign AI capabilities and reduce dependence on international compute resources. Next, Indian semiconductor startup C2i has raised $15 million in a Series A round led by Peak XV partners. C2i is developing a grid-to-GPU approach that delivers power directly from electrical grids to GPUs, cutting energy losses in data centers. The technology can reduce end-to-end power losses by around 10%, saving roughly 100 kilowatts for every megawatt consumed. As AI data centers push against grid capacity limits worldwide, solving power efficiency is becoming a critical infrastructure challenge. Moving on, India AI Impact Expo 2026 has officially opened today at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. Prime Minister Modi inaugurated the event, which is the first large-scale AI summit hosted in the Global South, with delegations from over 100 countries. A highlight is the unveiling of 12 indigenous AI foundation models developed by Indian startups, trained on Indian datasets and supporting 22 official languages. India is also proposing an AI Commons framework, a shared resource initiative allowing developing nations to access pooled computing infrastructure for public good projects. Finally, Rest of World is analyzing India's AI strategy as a distinct third way, separate from the US and Chinese approaches. India is pushing a public interest AI model built on its digital public infrastructure experience with Aadhaar and UPI. However, critics point out a structural tension. Despite sovereignty rhetoric, the underlying computing infrastructure remains controlled by US big tech companies like OpenAI, Google, and Meta. The key question is whether India's summit can genuinely redistribute power in the global AI economy or simply facilitate big tech localization in new markets.
That's all for this AI News Flash.